Jody Marketplace Boutique. Well, today I woke up and I thought, hey, Vlogentine. Kind of like Frankenstein, but Valentine. So I'm going to try to do a vlog every day until Valentine's Day of February. So I thought that'd be fun. Can't wait. I kind of miss doing Vlogmas, so I thought, hey, why not do it again? Okay, let's go. I'm thinking I might have to get a new tripod light because I can't get that to come on. And it might have something to do with the wires, but I keep pressing the button and it just does not come on. So I have no tripod light. So today we're gonna go to a thrift store. Do you want to go in? Hey, do you want to go in? No? So I might be going by myself. Let's go into Salvation Army and see what they have. Okay, they've got really cute purses here. Let's see. Backpack purse. Let's see here. Steve made it. That's nice. $10. This looks almost like an old one. Pretty. Actually, some of these are pretty. They got a nice red one. I love a good scarf. That's a cute one. Vintage. Plush bag. Cute. What sizes are these? And sometimes the prices are a little expensive, I think. Sometimes not. Okay, they got really cute jackets here. These things sell really well. $6.99, the fleece. They have some nice, like, more vintage jackets too. Really nice. Oh, look at this jacket. Time and Travel. Okay. Isn't that pretty? There's a Kenneth Cole 1X. Let's see, price 24. Well, that's a pretty good deal. Okay.
Thank you. What shirt? Not my shirt, but everyone keeps complimenting me. I gotta tell Dallas I wear nice shirt. I like half, and I like noodles.
It's really nice. They have a good dress section. Plus size dresses sell usually pretty well. And they have like Shane. The prices are pretty good. always have a lot of name brands over here.
Oh, did you see?
They have a lot of like lingerie. Some of the vintage stuff sells very, very well. Also Victoria's Secret you can find here. And that sells well also on eBay. There's a lot of sets. I don't know, they don't have name brands really. It's kind of weird. Something else that sells really well are belt buckles. You kind of quickly take a glance to see if there's any. Sometimes they sell for like $100, $200. Oh, that's cute. Look at all the shirts they have. It's crazy. They have some really good name brands in here too. Got a big two-piece majestic wear. That's nice. I think I have this. That's cute. $3.99. It's cute. Be your own kind of beautiful. That's sweet. There's some blue items. This looks like a Delft, maybe. Probably from Holland. Let's see how much it is. 4-piece set. Sugar dish. $16.99. It's a 4-piece. Sugar dishes. 16. There's only 2. Oh, this is a piece. Okay, 16. Somehow these have been here forever. This is really cute. I don't think it's that old though. They have the really nicest displays. Their pictures. $12.99. Really, really cute. And that can be restretched too. Okay, picture frames. Lots of linens and stuff. If you needed a cute pillow for the holidays, it'd be perfect. Picture frames. Art. Art's a really good thing to sell on eBay. There's a cute little display of pinks, kind of coral colors. I'm looking for some red stuff to put on my shelves. They have really nice linens. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Look at all the mugs. Now, if you have a Starbucks mug, some of those can sell really well on eBay too. Starbucks things. Stanley sells really well if you can find a Stanley these days. I do often find Stanley cups here and other places, especially at auctions. Here's a cute little wreath. Look at that. That's cute. Oh, this is pretty. What is this one? That's cute. We have to put this in her. Totally use a wig. These are nice. These are $6.99. It's coming from with me. How cute this is. $8.99. It's pretty.
This is nice. What? You're crazy. The peach one's good too.
This is kind of cute. So what's this? Oilies, $4.99. I'm gonna put that in the cart. Okay, I think we're done here. Applebee's here today. And I've got the potatoes and the veggie burger. That looks good. And what do you got? Steak? Steak. What was it called? The Sizzler or something? Bourbon. Okay. Yummy. I saved a couple onion rings from earlier. This looks good. Ooh, I just got Anna brought home this wonderful pie from a Sugar Mama's Bakery. Doesn't this look good? It looks like a cherry pie. It's all homemade. Oh, yummy. I'm gonna try a piece.